Here on this side we have our blackberry area. So I set up this fence to try and keep them from overpowering because they were kind of taking over this whole area. So again, this was just T-posts and one of these hardware mesh panels. So we set this up to try and hold them up, but these are blackberries that are doing really, really well. They are so easy to grow in Oklahoma. I mean, they grow wild here, so it makes sense, but we planted these in the ground a couple years ago, and we haven't really done anything with them since, other than letting it rain, and I fertilize them every now and then. But we got a lot of blackberries off of them this year in May and June, and we're gonna get a lot more next year. So we're looking forward to planting more things like this that produce every year without us having to keep coming out here and doing things. That's one of the things we want to do more of, is plant more perennial crops like berries. So I definitely recommend planting as many of those as you can. They are really easy to grow, and they're prolific, and they come back year after year, and it's a more sustainable way to grow them.